Yes, 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 yes. Ten star, I get off the clock. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah. No gimmicks, not in a nation people. What's going on? Yeah, man. The world boss of the big, bad music video and song. Money bag. Wanna like it, nation people? Hmm? Yeah, man, wanna like it. Our J-Bad production. Tough, 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 tough. I love everything about it. The video shot, it complement the song. No gimmicks business, not that about it. But first and foremost, nation people, and don't forget to stream local Vybz and local Addy albums in. Yeah. Don't get side distracted by money back, cause you don't know. You don't know the world boss thing. Alright, brother. Alright, good. You know the world boss thing, unbelievable. That's what I say? Yeah, man. Good. When I see you again?
I'll see you
Friday
morning?
Yeah, Friday morning. Alright, Aaron. Have a good one, my brother. Alright. Yeah, man, nation people. I got 10 star, I got the big monster. You see what I say? Yeah. And I get home like Jerome. Me I say, the world boss, yeah, nation people, sit there, unstoppable. Run away train. Everything fence, every lane. No joke shit, no there no nation people business. You hear me I say? Yeah, but me I say, don't forget to stream that big bad album there. You see what I say? No joke thing not there about it, nation people. When you stream the album to the fullest, you see what I say? Run go over Vybz Kartel Vivo or Vybz Kartel Radio. Go support the money bag shit there. Cause that thing they look tough. You see what I say? Yeah, man. And the visual feed complement the song, nation people. It couldn't done any better. You see what I say? Yeah, man. I will represent. No joke way. Not dead about it. You know what I mean? People. No for more gimmicks thing not dead about it. But watch what I go on now. Of the world, it's not a plan. You know what I go on, you know? A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know it go already. When I come for represent a full effecting one. You don't know it go when we load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing there. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion out here. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Your nation people. It can't get any better on this. That's what I say. So the father, so the son. Papa hit billboard and I see so on the son. So I just make certain say, we don't let none of Gaza business done. That's what I say. Yeah. So make sure you keep the album on stream, nation people. No joke thing not there about it. You know how we represent already. But in the meantime, I don't know if we run over Vybz Kartel Vivo, go execute the money bag song. It's tough. And the visual solid. That's what I say. wicked production. Respect to Jerry about them, no joke shit, no dead about it. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Yeah, from what year, you know, everything the world boss drop is a teachable moment. Eh? Boy, come like a base school, the world boss, a school for that area. That's how it look to me, nation people. Like a big classroom business. You see what I say? Yeah, man. I don't know if the youth them are learning, you know. Because you see that money bag shit there is not a joke thing. So, you probably ought to watch the video and then find it funny. Because the character them were in it and think so well then as some form of gimmicks business. It's not no really gimmicks thing. It's a teachable moment, nation people. So I hope the youth them will see what go on and I catch on for what go on. Because I know the world boss thing, you know, all them shit they go already. The world boss thing not really easy as how it look. It's not simple like how it look, nation people. Some people always see it and believe a joke thing, and them not know Gaza thing, a Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. You see what I say? No gimmicks not in a Gaza game. No lollipop thing not there. So, if you see that big bad video there, you know what I mean? And where the video based up off of, or where the song explain. Excellent. You couldn't ask nothing better than that, nation people, right about now. You know what I mean? So big up to everybody who take participate tonight. And big up the producer for the big bad track where the world boss slap where. You see what I say? Yeah. The gimmicks not in it. I remember, nation people, remember, say, to put the album on streaming, because it no matter what go on, we still a slap half of the billboard, you know what I mean? But you don't know, and not everything you go out there for you get, but we are going to satisfy, you see what I say, with the numbers we we put on, because here we are going. The work well solid. Nation people. The general, the 10-star one. I represent, you know, a Gaza way, they ain't no other way. What? General.